One hot summer day, there was a thirsty truth. The crow flew well and there in search of water. Suddenly he saw a pot on the ground. He looked inside the pot. There was very little water inside the pot. There were some stones on the ground. He thought of a plan and put some stones into the water. Suddenly water came up. The crow drank water and flew away.